TeamPal AI has just been released, and it's quickly gaining attention for its robust features and promises to revolutionize team productivity. But what exactly makes this software stand out from the competition? In this review, we'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about TeamPal AI before jumping in, so you can decide if it's the best AI software for your needs. First off, let me tell you, if you're someone looking to supercharge your team's productivity and streamline operations, you need to keep watching. TeamPal AI offers a range of tools designed to tackle challenges around collaboration, task management, and communication, but are they truly as groundbreaking as advertised? Let's break it down. You can try TeamPal AI completely free through the first link below, so don't miss out on this opportunity to explore the software risk-free. Now, let's dive into the first thing you should know. TeamPal AI is built to simplify workflows and enhance collaboration. It integrates seamlessly with all your major platforms, whether it's Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, or Slack. This means your team can stay connected and aligned without the hassle of jumping between different apps. For digital marketers and business owners, this level of integration is a huge time saver. Next up, it's extremely intuitive. TeamPal AI doesn't require a steep learning curve. From the first time you log in, you'll notice the user-friendly interface. There are clear menus and customizable options that ensure everyone in your team can easily access the features they need without feeling overwhelmed. The AI guides you through the process, making it perfect for even the non-tech savvy among us. Third, its task management system is top tier. TeamPal AI goes beyond just tracking tasks. The AI intelligently prioritizes them based on deadlines, team member availability, and project importance. This helps reduce the chaos of manual task assignment and ensures everyone knows exactly what to focus on. Now, let's talk about TeamPal's AI-driven communication tools. It has built-in chat features that are enhanced with smart AI, meaning you won't have to deal with endless back and forths. It auto-generates context-based responses and can even suggest next steps in your conversations. If you're running a marketing team or a sales operation, you'll love how much time this saves on routine messaging. Number 5, powerful reporting and analytics. One of the standout features is TeamPal's AI-powered reporting. This isn't just about tracking performance. The software analyzes the data, identifies trends, and even makes suggestions for improving processes. If you're into data-driven decision-making, TeamPal's reporting features are incredibly helpful. Next, scalability. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, TeamPal AI can scale with you. As your team grows, the software adapts, allowing you to add new users, projects, and workflows with minimal setup. This flexibility ensures that as your business evolves, TeamPal can keep up without a hitch. Finally, let's touch on security and privacy. We know this is a major concern when adopting any new software. TeamPal AI employs top-tier encryption, ensuring your team's data is protected. With its compliance to industry-standard security protocols, you can trust that your sensitive information is safe while using this platform. To wrap it up, TeamPal AI shows a lot of promise for businesses looking to improve collaboration, efficiency, and communication. If you're looking for an AI solution that can genuinely improve your team's productivity without the complexity, this might just be the software you need. Remember, you can try TeamPal AI for free by clicking the first link below. And after trying thousands of AI software solutions myself, I've included my recommended AI tools in the description. These are the best picks for productivity, marketing, and automation, and most of them offer free trials so you can see if they fit your needs. So, go ahead and give TeamPal AI a shot and see how it can streamline your team's workflow.